Hey everybody, it's Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I have a viewer box. So somebody sent me a box of really cool stuff. I'm excited to get in it. What could be in this tiny little box? Tiny little treasures, maybe? All right, so I was contacted by a viewer from Holzheimer's Distribution. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but Holzheimer's Distribution, they're based out of California, and their primary stock is like trade and licensed media, collectibles. Sometimes they have autograph stuff, movies, DVDs, so a lot of media-based stuff. And so I'm curious to see what's actually going to be inside this little box. So what they sent me is basically singles of everything that they do carry, along with many other things that they carry. But this is just a sample of what they carry. So they usually attend, in their email, they said they attend like Comic-Con conventions and things like that. So they're offering just one-time mystery boxes for my viewers only. So check the links down in the description below and contact them and just say, hey, we heard about you from Hooked on Pickin, and maybe you can get something. So what is in this box? Boy, it is packed to the brim. Ooh, Star Trek stuff. Is that like a pin?
Is that Star Trek?
Yeah.
It is Star Trek.
It says Star Trek on it. Yeah, it's a pin. Really cool pin. Lord of the Ring penny.
It's a coin.
Yeah. It's a Lord of the Ring
cool.
coin.
I bet you it's worth a penny.
I bet you it. Oh, look, it comes with the ring.
Oh, that is really cool.
Wait, I have to say it. My precious. Wait, hold on. My precious. Sorry.
You don't look anything like Gollum.
No. All right, and then we've got, oh, cool, a key holder. That's a Minnie Mouse and a Mickey Mouse.
Cool.
These are nifty things. And then we have a I Move the Stars for No One. Aquarius.
There we go.
And then we've got Star Trek.
Very cool.
Oh, another. This is, let me see, exclusive pin 1990. Who is it?
Captain America. Cool.
It's an exclusive.
I could definitely see why they do Comic-Con.
Yeah. This is an Aquarius pin. All right. Then we have Hufflepuff from Harry Potter.
Harry Potter, yeah.
Oh, that is a cool.
What is that?
Look at it. It's got the little thing.
Is that hand sanitizer? What is that?
No, it's just a keychain. I don't think it's hand sanitizer. It's just a really nifty keychain.
Cool.
Yeah. And then they've got another Star Trek pin. I'm sure Trekkies know all about this. I don't know everything. I'm sure I could ask my dad. Here's a
Scooby-Doo.
Scooby Natural.
Scooby Natural.
It's an exclusive pin from Scooby-Doo.
From what there? Is it from the show Natural and Scooby-Doo?
I don't know. Okay. Then we have another Star Trek pin. Ooh, what's this guy? This is Star Wars Race and Crash Hot Wheels Battle Rollers. She's in the Millennium Falcon.
Yep.
Can you tell that?
You should scan that here.
Okay, just right now, just to see how much it is.
Go ahead and scan it and see if it's worth anything that way.
Okay.
Sometimes these little things that are collectibles will be big money.
Yeah.
And real easy to ship. You can imagine shipping this stuff would be
real
simple to do. Scan that barcode.
All right. It is thinking. 0.
Anything pop up?
No,
No, nothing popped up with that one.
Nothing popped up.
Scan a few other things. Let's see if anything will pop up on Amazon.
Yeah, let's see what pops up here. I don't know if that's the actual barcode or their barcode or what. Nope. Let's see. Let's try Disney.
There you go.
Nope.
Nope, not popping up.
Yeah. Let's try that one.
It might be a master pack thing.
It might be. Yeah. Okay, I'm not finding anything so far.
Okay.
But we got some other stuff. So here is Groot. Baby Groot.
Scan Groot.
Got to scan Groot. Scan
Come
Groot.
on, Groot.
Oh, it's a magnet, I think.
It's a Groot magnet.
Groot magnet. Baby Groot. He's my favorite.
Come on, Groot. Be on there.
Nope.
No.
Yeah. I wonder if they're sold in like bundles.
They might be.
So here is a set of playing cards. Fantastic Beasts.
Huh.
Let me try those. Yeah, there's a barcode there.
Looks like there's a lot of playing cards in
Oh
here.
my goodness,
That
there's
might
a
be kinda
ton.
cool. We could make a playing card bundle for the fire
I think
sale.
we should sell them individually, personally.
You think so?
Well, I don't know. Maybe. All right, we're just going to keep going through these. All right, so here is a Star Trek Original Series Special Edition playing card set. To me, it looks like it's got 2 decks in it. It's got it, right?
Yeah, it looks like it would.
Yeah. Special edition.
They were selling it for $18.
Yeah.
You see there? Yeah.
Yeah. And then we've got Star Wars.
There it is.
Heroes playing card. Then we have Harry Potter.
Yeah.
And then we have another Star Wars.
Cool.
Oh, I watched this movie when I was a kid.
Labyrinth, yeah.
Yes. If they kept on going down that way, it'd have taken them straight to the castle. That was my favorite line in the whole movie because she turned the wrong way and ended up in this hot mess, and then she could have just went the right way.
You just ruined the movie for everybody.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. All right. What is this? One flew over the cuckoo's nest.
Yeah. Try scanning a few of these things. See if anything will pop up for you.
Star Wars.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let me kind of lay some out so you can look
The
at them while I'm
Story
scanning.
of Darth Vader.
The Story of Darth Vader. I'm going to lay some of these out so you can look at them a little bit more while I'm kind of scanning. So we're going to scan.
They are kind of cool. Something we've never really grabbed hold before. I bet you the right place, these things would go really well.
Oh, that's what I was thinking.
Like a Comic-Con.
Or even a flea market might go.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm going to try just a picture.
That might be good.
Let me see if I can't get it to scan for the picture.
They're all brand new.
Oh, yeah. Harry Potter cards. Yep. So they're going for $8.98 on Amazon. Yep.
Yeah.
And then let's see what... let's see if we can get... I want to do... Where's that Labyrinth one? Just because it's such an old movie. I'm just curious. See if it's worth more. All right.
She's searching.
Yeah. So they have good sales ranks. Look like they're around the $10 to $20 range because there's multiple listings of these. Let's try Star Wars. We'll do this guy. So they're definitely got some value to them for sure. All right. This one I'm finding wall calendars. Not exactly the exact Star Wars pack for playing cards. All right, cool. But
the feature she was using on Amazon, you can actually
scan the picture.
Scan the picture, scan the front of whatever the packaging is, and sometimes it'll find it for you.
Yeah. Here is Jim Henson's The Dark Crystal. Jim Henson that did Fraggle Rock. Down at Fraggle Rock. All right, and then here's Star Wars Villains.
There we go.
Then we've got some more Harry Potter, Prisoner of Azkaban.
Cool.
So let us know if you'd be interested in having any of these things on the fire sale, because I think we're going to try to put some of these on the fire sale. And would you prefer them to be bundled? Would you want them to be separate? That kind of stuff. So look at all these.
What is that?
These are all keychains. We've got Darth Vader. C-3PO. He's freaked out. Yoda, Chewbacca, and a Stormtrooper.
Cool.
Aren't those cool? I would sell these as a bundle for sure.
Are these mystery boxes that they have? Are they priced or not exactly?
So the mystery boxes, basically you just call them and kind of tell them what you're interested in, what kind of things that you would like, and they will do duplicates. Now they only gave me one of each thing, but if like you really, really like, let's say the Labyrinth movie, you could get more than one of the Labyrinth stuff. So they did tell me that. So as far as I know, that's what I think. But go ahead and check the link down in the description. You can kind of look and see what they all have. They also have an Amazon link too, so you can check and see what they have on their Amazon store as well. Oh, it's Uhura.
Here we go.
Yep, from Star Trek.
Surely that would scan.
Surely.
What else you got there?
Then we've got Star Trek people going to church. No, I'm sure that means something else, but it looks like they're going to church, doesn't it?
New Eden. Episode
Must be
2.
An episode, yeah. Here is Batman.
That's kind of a cool little pen there.
Oh, here's a... The Mandalorian. Okay, listen.
Oh.
What do you want to call it, Paul?
Baby Yoda.
But look, its actual name is not Baby Yoda. Everybody refers to it as Baby Yoda, but it is actually called the Child.
I'm going to stick with Baby Yoda.
Baby Yoda's better. Okay.
Baby Yoda.
All right, then we have some dog tags.
Dog tags?
Yeah. Look at all these dog tags. So we've got Captain America Civil War. Ooh, another Civil War one. Yeah, these are all Marvel ones. Ooh, here's Doctor Strange.
Very cool.
Yeah, those are cool.
It's probably a collectible dog tag thing.
Yeah. Oh, here's another Harry Potter playing card.
Yep. Cool.
And then we have... That's a lot in this little box. And they did tell me that every box is going to be packed this full.
Yeah.
So there's a Mandalorian. So the new show on Disney Plus. Oh, there's
that's
Snoopy.
cool.
Snoopy and Charlie Brown.
The Peanuts.
Oh, there's Snoopy.
More Snoopy cards.
Yep. What is this? It's the biggest thing in the... Oh, hold on. There's hidden things in here. Hold on.
Hidden treasures.
We've got... What is that? Voyage to the Bottom of the Sea. Okay, and then we have, the Peanuts pin. Okay, I think that's it in the box. Let's open this big thing and see what it even is.
It's probably $1,000 piece.
$1,000 toy. But this is totally different stuff than I'm used to.
Oh, yeah.
And if you don't have a lot of space, this would be awesome stuff to flip. So they do sell directly to the public. They sell to wholesalers, and then they sell at like Comic-Con conventions. Okay, this is Civil War limited edition, 1 of 500.
Ooh.
Yeah.
It's going to be
Should we try to scan that?
$18,000 is my guess.
Let's try to scan that.
I'm really
if it has a
bad with
barcode. $18 million.
18 million? I only want 18,000.
Okay, there aren't any actually online. But they have a really good sales rank.
Oh, really?
Well, no, it's a high sales rank. They're finger puppets.
Finger puppets?
Yeah, they're finger puppets.
They're little finger puppets.
Yeah, I bet they're worth a lot, though. Because I think that's a high sales rank because they're probably hard to find. So we have, let's kind of go over all the stuff that we got.
That one right there.
What one? This one?
It's got a little note on there for you.
It says, from the manufacturer. Oh, it came from the manufacturer this way.
Oh, so there's an error?
Maybe.
Oh.
Don't know.
Scan it and see.
Okay. Ahura.
I'm all about scanning stuff.
Scan stuff.
Hey, look, it's Extreme Unboxing poster.
Extreme Unboxing.
Tuesdays. That's tonight.
It is tonight. Well, we're recording this on a Tuesday. All right. Yeah, this is actually online.
Is it on there?
Yeah. See?
Yeah, hey, that's not bad.
Mm-hmm.
Now, my guess is, though, that there's some error in it. If they say it came like this from the manufacturer.
Yeah, let me look.
So you wonder what was the error.
Yeah.
Because I know that can make collectibles really high.
Yeah. I don't know. We'll have to look at it closer.
Don't know.
But why don't we kind of go over what's all in here, just so we can kind of have a recap, because we kind of went through some of these pins and stuff pretty fast. So I absolutely love this stuff. I think it's going to be awesome.
Try to scan this on eBay.
Okay.
Just to see. I'm just really curious. 1 of 500. I think that could be pretty good. I'll give that to you.
Okay.
Look at all the cards.
Yeah, it's going for a decent amount. Like $30 on eBay.
$30 on eBay? Yeah.
Yeah, so
yeah, I could see that.
there's some room for it. So, all right, so we've got lots of playing cards, and if you like a specific kind, you could duplicate it. So this would be perfect for like the flea markets, the Comic-Cons, the garage sales, anything like that that you would sell in person. I think this would be great, but it'd be really great for online sales because these aren't going to cost you anything. Now, I do know this is a medium flat rate box. My guess is they probably have various different sizes. That's just my guess of how much you specifically want. If you want more like this kind of stuff, they probably make a bigger box. But just check the link down in the description. Again, this is Holzheimer distribution based out of California. And if you're getting a flat rate, you're not really going to be paying any more in shipping if you live across the country. But this is really, really cool stuff. So I'm really glad that they sent it to me. If you are a buyer or a reseller at all and you want to send me a mystery box, go ahead and send it to hookedonpickin.com. You can contact me at hookedonpickin@gmail.com as well. And I would love to open your mystery box and let them know where to find your specific mystery box. And so they're offering a one-time online mystery box. Normally they only sell in person, but they want to offer a one-time online mystery box to Hooked on Pickin viewers. So just let them know whenever you contact them that you heard about it from Hooked on Pickin, and you too can get some stuff that is really, really cool and collectible. Even if you're not going to resell it, this would be awesome stuff to get as like gifts for your friends. Like I right now could tell you all the Star Trek cards or Star Wars cards are probably going to go to a friend of mine because she'll want to buy them for her husband for Christmas. So, you know, there are all sorts of things that are going to be amazing as far as reselling or gifting and things like that. So they have some really cool, unique things. And remember, they do like licensed media, collectibles, and autographs and stuff like that. So this was a really fun box. I can't believe all this stuff is in this tiny little box. That's a lot of stuff. So we're going to see what we can sell. And if you'd like for us to sell any of this on the fire sale, please leave it in the comment section below. We'd love to make it available for you guys. All right. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks. Hey, thanks for watching. If you're not yet a subscriber, hit that subscriber button. Make sure you hit that thumbs up if you like this video. Also, check out hookedonpickin.com for anything that you would like to buy from us. We have reseller guides. We have a Poshmark ebook on there. We also have reseller boxes that are really, really good MSRP. So check those out as well. Just go to hookedonpickin.com.